Welcome back. Let's do question 424. The graphs of f of x is equal to x squared minus 4x minus 5, and g of x is equal to a times 2 to the power x plus q are sketched below. E and h are the x-intercepts of f. C is the y-intercept of f and lies on the asymptote. We found that c is 0, negative 5. The two graphs intersect at D, the turning point of f. We found that D is 2, negative 9. Write down the range of G. The equation of the asymptote is y is equal to negative 5. Right, we have here negative infinity up to positive infinity. But now, this is the asymptote. So it means the y values can never be above negative 5. So the y values should be less than negative 5. So that's the range there for g of x. So saying y is less than negative 5. Negative 5 is not included because this is where the asymptote is, and then where y is an element of real numbers. We can write it like this and say y is an element of negative infinity up to negative 5, not included. So we use the round bracket for not included. So that's your answer there.